Wagwan me people. So masicka and ishawna seems to become a thing, and everybody is talking about it on the internet. Reason being because masicka is a rival of foota hype, aka Luka hype, and they were in an ongoing feud for the longest time right now. And for masicka to be ishawna new man, this is gonna be so epic to foota hype, because he has been in the media exploiting it, trying to get his name entangled in controversy, and this is a controversy I think he's gonna be hiding from. And people, I have to commend masicka to do this. You know what I mean? Even though I am looking at ishawna as very promiscuous and I don't condone it, but it's a slap into foota face because he likes to talk and he was calling up masicka's name all the time. So right now masicka have the last laugh, so to speak. You know what I mean? Because he as someone that has this bounty killer, I told people in 2016 that his career is going in a downward spiral. You know what I mean? And it's proven right now because masicka take his hype. I told people that his name is Luka hype because that's all he does. You know what I mean? When he tried to disrespect bounty killer, he even tried to get the man's son involved in it, calling up the man's son's name and trying to look at hype. This is what's going on right now, and he's in Florida at barbershop sitting down. I think he should get back into music and try being a selector again. You know what I mean? Instead of trying to get himself entangled in this controversy. And I don't want he to get a stroke again, because remember, when him and ishawna was supposed to get married, he brought ishawna on stage back in 2011, telling Winfred Williams that he wanted to marry ishawna. So he was deeply in love with ishawna, and to know that he's the baby father of ishawna child, this is a major disrespect, and that's why I don't condone what ishawna is doing, even though it's thumbs up to masicka. You know what I mean? But ishawna did something that very promiscuous, because this is her fourth dancehall companion. The first one was Foota Hype, then you hear about Scatterburrell, then Joe Bogdanovich, then now masicka. So that's breaking the Angel record. You know what I mean? Angel left Bounty Killer to go to Beanie Man. So it's like right now ishawna have a better track record than Angel, so to speak. You know what I mean? But as I'm saying, people, this is a big news. I want to hear what Foota Hype has to say about this, because he likes to talk. This is what Winfred Williams should have him on the show to hear what he have to say about this, because he likes the spotlight, and this is the spotlight that he should be responding to. You know what I mean? As I'm saying, people, I'm not condoning ishawna action, and I'm not laughing at him. I'm just talking about these things. You know what I mean? Just, I don't know if you ever listen to Sizzla Kalonji song that say, don't bite the hands that feed you. And he tried to disrespect Bounty Killer. This is its karma, so to speak. You know what I mean? Because you should have never done that Foota Hype. And we told people that this was going to happen. So right now, masicka have the last laugh, people. You see me? So big up on yourself, all of my subscribers. Peace. I'm out.
Work in the country where you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him dey jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.